Okay, so what I've done is I've been playing with Toposolids in Revit. So this is the prompt that I've given ChatGPT. So I said to make a lot that is 50 feet wide by 150 feet long. I want the middle section plus or minus 20 to be at 0. I want the left side to be -6 and tapered from the middle section at 0. I want the right side to be at -3 feet and tapered to the middle section as well. So it did give me the information. I tried to open it before and it crashed, so I've asked it to refresh this and we're going to see if that works. I've done this, as you can see, quite a few times. I'm going to call this one 7, but I'm probably going to just upload the other one. So I'm in Revit. I'm opening up the typical new template. The one that we use here in Manitoba is going to be the English Imperial, and it's going to be the residential default. And we've done this quite a few times, so I'm not going to spend too much time. So we're going to go to the site in Mass. We're going to go to Toposolid from an import. We're going to select create from a CSV, which is basically a comma separated values, and I'm going to find that. So I believe I put it on the desktop in a housing file, and I called it number 7, but just because I don't want to screw up, I'm going to use the one that I know that works. And it asks for feet. It gives me a little bit of error, but it also shows me the lot. I'm going to go to the 3D version of this and show you that it has kind of worked out very well. If you can sort of see that the middle section plus or minus 20 is tapered. This went down to, I think, -6, and this one went down to actually no, this one's -3 and this one was -6 or something like that. Now if you can see that it's not colored, so we're going to turn on our realistic, and so we've got it gray. In the last video I showed you how to change that. So we're going to select our Toposolid. We're going to go to edit, and I'll see if I can do this faster. We're going to go to edit. We're going to insert a layer on it. We're going to move that layer to the top. We're going to call that a finish layer. We're going to go to category. We're going to go to physical. That's one that we can't make a mistake on. And then we're going to type in grass. And at the bottom we got grass and plants. Okay, and then we're going to click OK. And so we've got grass. We need to change this one down here. So this one we're going to go with maybe earth. And we got earth. And we're going to change that one to, we'll say 10 feet. And we're going to change the grass to 3 inches as we did before. And we're going to hit apply. And we're going to click OK. So now we've got something that we want. And that is just a quick video on how to use ChatGPT to generate your what you would want for numbers. And if you're curious about what it looks like, this is one of them. Let's see if I can open up that specific one. So that is in house values, and I can't find it. Desktop. Okay, so let's find it a different way. We're going to go to a folder view. We're going to go to desktop, houses. I've got a bunch of files here. So this is the one that we just created. Let's do a right click so we can do this view as details. So that's the one that we just did. So let's open up that one and see if we can. So you can sort of see that your data, let's zoom in a little bit. So your X's are in one dimension. So we go all the way to So the X's go to 50, the Y's go to 150, and then we've got a whole bunch of elevation heights. So this is the format. So if you wanted to make your own lot and make your own file, you could do that. But that's kind of an interesting thing that ChatGPT can do. And so hopefully you have fun with that. Anyways, good luck and have fun.